Feeling mo ba nababurnout ka na sa current job mo ngayon? Whether it's corporate, BPO, or OFW. Alam mo yung nauubos na yung oras mo sa biyahe? Or malapit ka nga pero feeling mo naman parang unfulfilled yung mga career or dreams or aspirations mo. Gusto mo sana mag-start na mag-work online sa bahay or kung saan mo man trip magtrabaho pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula? Well, this might answer your question because tinatanong din dito ni Gianna kung paano daw mag-enroll sa mga courses namin. But before diving into that, first and foremost, I want you to be ready. Like, i-prepare mo muna yung sarili mo. Isipin mo muna anong kaya mong gawin sa computer. Pangalawa, obviously, you have to have a computer or a laptop, maayos na internet connection, headset at camera na pwede mong gamitin sa client interviews. But if feeling mo talaga ready ka na and determined ka na subukan ng aralin kung paano nga ba yung virtual assistance industry. We offer beginner-friendly classes for freelancing, work from home, different niche, VA work, and digital skills. So from onboarding to live classes to internship to mock interviews, there is a step-by-step guide on how to transition from your regular office work to online work. Tutulungan ka rin namin na kumuha at maghanda ng mga tools na gagamitin mo as a freelancer. And last but definitely not the least, with the combined experience of all of our mentors, you will pretty much have a roadmap for a sustainable freelancing business. So kung handa ka na, i-click mo lang tong link sa bio ko or i-check nyo na lang yung comment section or caption kung nasan man. But I need you to go to our Gig Hub. Sa Gig Hub, nandito na lahat ng kailangan ninyo from free resources to our live classes. So under live mentorship, makikita nyo na dyan lahat ng classes na ino-offer namin. Kung alam mo na kung anong service ang i-offer mo, meron tayong specific na services dyan. At kung hindi ka pa sure kung ano talaga yung gusto mo pag-aralan pero determined ka na, then I highly recommend that you take the 1999 Top VIP 1-year all-access pass na. So ito yan, i-click nyo lang yan and it will open the form for you. So whether you're looking to learn how to build your resume, your portfolio, freelancing strategies, where to apply, how to find client, how to set up efficient remote work system, or wala ka talagang time, so kailangan mo ng mga self-paced modules, lahat meron kami niyan. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye!